Hello traders, so welcome once again to Crypto Trade 1. So we see that crypto has bitwise corrected from the top high, and we are buying from the 44, 45, 46 level, and once it is a 52,000 we have booked the profit. So now currently it is corrected from 52,600 and it is a very good way to again entered from this level. So we are buying as per our designated lot size into the parts of all 400 Ethereum, LTC. We are buying on a 2000 quantity. EOS, we are buying around 20,000 quantity. In XRP now, we are buying around 2 lakh quantity. So God willing, we will see the good amount of gain, and these are the current, the balance. Yes, it is already into the profit by God grace, and we will wait for around to book around 0.2, 0.4 BTC at minimum profit gain. So keep watching the account, as this is exchange B1, and the concept, our major concept is to you buy once the crypto is corrected and you sell once it is in overbought condition. So in this condition, if you entered into any script, you make a very good amount of profit consistently. By God grace, your capital will keep on increasing. So do not fall the trap once it is in high and you take the buy position. So follow our signals in our free Telegram channel. If you do not want to join our premium service, we are advised to join our free channels consistently, and from there you can get a lot of new ideas how to enter and how to exit. If you just follow the one channel and you get a consistent amount of profit. So hope now it is a profitable trade. So we are closing all the trades and we are booking the profit. As it is around profit is there, and we will book the 0.1 around $5,000 profit, which is very quick gain. So within a very short period of time we booked the profit. So this is the better to confirm with the 5-10 minutes trade. If the profit is there 0.1 BTC, so we should book the profit for that. Now we will again open a position as it is already moved 100 points. As you have seen, we entered at the time it was 400 was trading. So now we will enter a small amount to keep into the space. We will enter with only the very small amount, 5 BTC, so we can hold for a longer period of time. We'll enter the BTC Ether 200, 100 only. $500 we will enter the LTC. EOS we will enter 5,000 only, and XRP we will enter 50,000. So we have reduced now our quantity, so definitely the profit loss will be the less according to that position. And we will enter again, because currently it is a very good buying, as the market is already corrected from the points. So that's the only reason it will reach to the 50,000, 51,200, as it is all the MA, it is trading below that. So once it's crossed an MACD, it is into oversold condition, and all the 3 MAs timeline, it is going below that. So definitely it will pull back from that levels. But once it cross above this MA line, you have to sell. You just keep it in mind, very simple rules you have to follow. And we are also using some of the strong algorithms where we can analyze the mining rate, hash rate, the complexities, transaction speed, and how many transactions is going on. So based on all of these, we are taking the decision. and this decision by God grace almost right. See now the small position which we have taken where margin is used only zero point 0.1 BTC, and from that we are gaining almost gain of the, see all the position into the gain again the second time over entry point. So we entered once it is a very good amount of profit is available into that, and we sell once everybody is buying. So we don't fall into the trap where the market are onto the wrong side. We don't fall into the trap this type of trader where pumping and dumping is happening. So once pumping is happening, you should be wait for a time, and once you have to feel that once dumping is start, you should sell your assets, and once before the pumping start, you should get to be entered into the particular cryptos, and that is the best way to make your capital towards the triple and thousands time returns, God willing.